Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. It's time for another update on my Minoxidil beard journey. Not much has happened the past 2 weeks. So 2 weeks ago in my last update, I showed you 11 weeks of the beard growth, and I went ahead and shaved. And I've been keeping it shaved or trimmed as low as this trimmer will get it for me. And that's how I've been keeping it. I'll give you a quick close-up, so those of you who just want to see the beard can go ahead and see the beard and then leave or do whatever you do. But for the rest of you, there are a few things I wanted to talk about. Seeing as how I've come to a standstill on my Minoxidil beard journey and I'm not growing it out or doing anything different in my routine that I would be updating you guys about, I am looking to expand the content in this channel. I want to upload more regularly, back to once a week like I had started, and maybe even twice a week if I can get video ideas in. The only problem is this channel is very niche based around the Minoxidil beard community. I would like to expand it, so this is where I need your guys' help. Long story short, I need video ideas. I have a few that I've been thinking about. Number one is, obviously I've been telling you I'm growing out my hair, so I could transition from the beard into like hair care or hair growth update videos. I've done that once before on my other channel. It never really took off. I think I stayed at like 100 something subscribers. I could do that if any of you would be interested. I'm at almost 10 months of hair growth. I could come back with monthly updates or every 2-month updates, but to fill that space in between, I'm gonna need something. I could always post music. I just started what is going to be a very long and hard body transformation. I am on a whole food plant-based vegan diet, and like 4 or 5 months ago I said in a video that I was going to do better at my body and getting in shape. Fast forward 4 to 5 months, I didn't, but now I'm finally on track and I feel like I'm really going to be making progress in the next few months. So I'm going to be doing calisthenics, all body weight, until I progress enough to maybe add weight, and then I would be doing weighted calisthenics. I don't really have any interest in lifting weights at the moment. If I don't achieve the body type I would like well into my journey, maybe a year or more, then maybe I'll shift focus and do more weight-based training. But I'm super skinny right now, 115 pounds. I have horrible posture, a bit of anterior pelvic tilt, I believe. I looked up some routines that I'm going to be incorporating into my workouts. Right now I'm starting with the very basics in workouts. I'm just doing like variations of push-ups, dips, body weight squats, pull-ups, chin-ups, and then a ab routine that I found on YouTube a while back that I kind of modified to fit my beginner skill level. But if y'all would like to see that, I'll be happy to upload every once in a while, updating you on that. Like I said, right now this is a very niche based channel and I would like to expand it and incorporate other ideas and other topics. I don't really want to push away my audience that I've gained so far, which is mostly about the beard. But like I said, now I'm at a point where I really don't have anything to film and upload because nothing has changed and nothing is changing. I'm just applying Minoxidil twice every day. I've actually got my Dermaroller set up to Dermaroll here in a few hours because I haven't been doing that. But from this side of the camera, it's not that I mind making these, it's just like I'm craving something else. I guess creatively I want to put out something of value, something that I'll enjoy making more than these. So that's the point where I'm at, and those are the thoughts that I'm having. On this channel I've gotten suggestions that I should do anything from ASMR to acting, and neither one of those are something that I've actually tried. I always thought it would be cool to be an actor, but that's something I really can't pursue with this channel unless I would upload skits or something like that, which I guess I could think up something. Yeah, I need ideas. If you have any, no promises that I will actually take your ideas and use them, but I would like some suggestions. So that's kind of a quick update, not really related to the beard, but more related to the future of the channel and what I'm trying to work towards for you guys and for myself. So thank you for watching. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you think. Give me your ideas, and I will be back in a couple of weeks with a follow-up video, another update if you will, and talk about it some more. But thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll catch you in a couple weeks.